Look where we at, guys. What the heck? This sounds like a jet. Bro, craziest sounding car ever, dude. Anyways, that's a way to start the vlog, guys. What's up? Thank you for watching another video. We just met up with Josh right now. Haven't seen Josh in a long time, but we back to making some content, back to some supercars. I guess this is like an exotic car dealership. They sell a bunch of sick cars, as you guys can see. My favorites though is obviously the Aventador. Buy it? I need a few more YouTube videos. Dude, this is my dream car, bro. I know, literally, we gotta post like 3 times a day. Make 3 vlogs a day, bro. I could probably do it. Damn, that thing is insane. There's a white one and the satin black one. I personally like the satin black. And that shit sounded ridiculous, bro. I didn't think it was gonna be that loud. That was ridiculously loud, bro. That's why I love these cars so much, because I literally think this is the best sounding car ever, guys. And it's so obnoxious, bro. That's why I like too. Like, if you drive this car, you gotta be super obnoxious, bro. Super loud. And I love the matte black, like a stealth little Batmobile. This Huracan's clean too. Look at the purple flake in the wrap. That shit's sick, dude. So clean. Nothing too much, just like a wing, some carbon, some wheels. That's just nice. Bunch of G-Wagons. What do you guys think? You got G-Wagons? I don't think I'll ever buy one, to be honest. They're cool, but I really get like a year's. Bro, they got all these supercars, and in the corner they got an E36 M3, guys. He said it's like a special edition one too. Like 20K or something like that, or 30, I think he said, which is insane. Again, if I would have told you guys how much I sold mine for, you guys would laugh. This hurt my heart when he told me it was selling for 30K, and I sold mine for that cheap. Oh. It is clean though, stick shift, looks mint, bro. BBS's, Brembo brakes. Let's see, I think it says a denim edition or something like that. I don't know. Porsche, stick shift, and they got a white Aventador too, guys. What would you guys take, the satin black or the white? I'm taking the satin black, bro. The white is clean though too, but satin black just looks mean. It's so sick with the red interior, or red accents. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna teach Josh how to drive stick shift, guys. He's never driven stick shift, so I told him, why not today? Let's try it in the F80. Hopefully Josh doesn't on my car. But I think it'll be good. Nah, you'll be fine, bro. This car is actually very easy to drive stick, guys, so I think he's gonna get it like really quick. I think you'll get it. Hopefully. You break it, I take that though. You
can have the Aventador. Look at him shake his head.
Bro, it's gonna be crazy. We're really gonna teach Josh how to drive stick shift today, guys. He's gonna be a real race car driver.
Max, real race car driver. I gotta learn at some point.
Nah, you're learning. You never tried at all, ever?
I tried once, but I never got it, and that was a long time ago.
Nah, that's so easy.
I think I'm better now.
Do you know the basics a little bit?
I know the basics just a little bit. I know the basics a little bit. So first, seatbelt on.
Seatbelt on.
I know that one. So it's in neutral like this, right?
Yeah.
So to go and drive, you clutch down.
Clutch in.
Clutch in. Brake, right?
You don't really have to touch the brake, but okay. Clutch, and then it'll be first, so left and up. Like that. See, it has the numbers in here too, okay, so you can see.
Right.
Get the e-brake.
Oh yeah, that.
So then literally like this car's super easy because you can let go of the clutch and it'll start already creeping forward. And you'll feel it start going forward. Once it starts moving, then you can give it some gas, watch.
Oh.
You're good. I think you're going, watch. Push the gas.
All right, push the gas. Oh, snap.
It's alright, it's not bad, but you didn't stall. But it's something like that. There you go.
What was that?
It's alright. In sport mode, it's a little more rough, so turn up there. Oh. Now it'll be smooth a little bit.
Shit. Nick, I'm nervous.
Nah, you're good. But you already know the basics, so.
I know the basics.
Turn around, bro.
Wait. Do a little U-turn.
Holy shit.
Wait.
Nah, you're not doing bad though. So, you know the basics, like clutch and third, perfect. Like that. Woo! That was clean.
That was a clean one. That's fire. I'm getting sweet at this.
Alright, then you can, like, if you're coming to a stop, you can just put it in neutral. So neutral's in the middle, like that, yeah. And then that's neutral. Yeah. And that you can just like roll, whatever. If you're coming to a stop, yeah.
So let's say, let me practice. So
pull up,
red light. You know, who's calling my cellular? The red light. Oh, the light's green.
Clutch. Clutch in first.
Oh, wait. Oh, wait, that's third.
Alright, slowly let go the clutch and then slowly give it gas too. Perfect. Go gas. You're good here. Like that.
Yeah.
Bro, it's not bad, huh? Oh,
Wait.
you're in neutral.
Oh, wait.
There you go. Bro, it's not bad. I think if you drove it for a while, you would get used to it. Josh already knows the basics, guys. I think he's chilling.
Ooh, I'm sweet.
It's just the beginning, huh? And you can even drop it into second if you want. It's like down that way.
Down left?
Yeah.
So, like...
And then all the way down.
Oh, wait, that's neutral.
Oh, that's fourth. There you go.
Oh, shit. What the fuck?
You gotta let go of the clutch a little softer and it won't be that rough.
Okay.
It'll be clean. There you go.
Ooh, that was smooth now.
It's just the takeoff all.
Yeah, it's the takeoff that messed me up. I'm scared it's jerking, Nick.
I know. You gotta let go of the clutch slower.
No. Let off the clutch a little slower. So pull
Yeah.
up to another red light. Clutch in first.
Perfect, go gas. Perfect, look.
Wait, why is it? Wait, there we go.
F80s do that for some reason. I don't know why. Go to second. Perfect. There you go. No, I don't know why they're so jerky, bro. Like in first gear, even like the DCT ones, the automatic ones.
I'm going nuts. Fourth gear, fuck it. Oh, that's second. Oh, no. Go back a second.
Loki, Josh has installed those. That's good. Like that, see? You're getting a hang of it. Yup.
Yeah.
Now we getting some speed. Now Josh is a real life race car driver. You'll feel the clutch like that, yeah. There you go.
Ooh, that was a smooth.
That was smooth. Yup.
Yeah.
Hey, that was smooth. That was clean.
I smell some shit.
My clutch is gone, imagine. No, these cars are pretty easy to drive though, right? Like
Yeah,
compared to like other stick shift cars.
Yeah, it is. Let me go back down a second. Bro, get out the way. I need to do a 60 roll.
Oh, Josh is gonna go buy a stick shift car after this, guys.
How am I doing so far? Give me 1 out of 10.
I think you need to master getting off on first, from first gear.
Mm-hmm.
But shifting from like gear to gear, you're doing really good.
Okay.
Yeah, the gears are smooth.
Yeah, the
then-
gears are easy.
Yeah, just you need to get better at first gear.
All right. Should I drive to the gas station?
Oh,
If you want.
Okay, wait.
Should we go on the street?
Let me try one more time. So let's say we had a red light. 20 cars behind us, okay? 20
honking
cars
at you.
honking at me. I gotta, oh snap, I'm late, you know?
That's when it gets stressful, bro. When there's people.
Josh, I know what you're doing.
What?
You're,
I'm sorry. Oh snap, that's neutral.
bro.
Oh,
I think he's letting off the clutch too fast too.
Oh yeah, maybe.
You gotta ease off a bit, Josh.
Oh, slow. There you go, a little bit.
there you go. There. Oh, why?
Bro, it's so jerky. I don't know why.
First gear.
Clean. My boys are professional now. There you go.
Yeah. I can't stop. I don't know how to stop, champ. I can't talk to you.
We're really on the street now.
Red light. Oh snap.
This is the test. You go like second, yeah. This is the real test. We're really at a stoplight now, guys.
How do I turn and go?
They're not slow.
Fuck, I'm rolling back and there's a car behind me.
No, you'll be good. Just let the clutch slowly.
Alright.
When you start moving forward, gas. Gas it now. Alright, now you stalled.
Act normal.
Act normal. Clutch in. Slowly. There you go. What the fuck was that noise? It's the stoplights, but that shit gets scary when you're under pressure. So if it's like all the way that way, like up and that way. There you go.
Yeah.
That's got it, guys.
I drive a manual.
My clutch is all gone, imagine. You got it down.
Yeah, the shifting got down. I feel like it's fun when you start like actually getting the speed and
that
then
shit
you
is
get
fun.
to like bang the gears and
Yeah.
stuff.
I feel like you're in Fast and Furious.
Mm-hmm. Oh wait. Wait, Nick. What was that?
Put it. You just stalled.
Oh.
What the fuck? It turns back on, bro. That's crazy. All right.
Nick, what was that?
It's because you were in like 2 out of a gear, so
Alright.
put it in first.
Holy crap. Wait,
You're good, it's fine. Alright, go. Alright, you go slowly. Same thing, let it go out. It's just because you were in second. Uh-oh.
No.
You're rolling back.
Nick.
More gas.
More gas.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
So let go of the clutch. You'll feel it start rolling forward, and then you can put gas. Like that.
Oh! Nick.
You want me to do it?
Nick, you gotta do it. Nick, you gotta do it.
We're stuck on the hill. It's because Josh is not trying to scrape, so he's trying to go slow, but you're in second gear. But it's all good.
It's the
It's the speed bump, huh?
yeah, it's the speed bump that
All right, guys, just put some gas in the F80. $75 again, bro. What is it? Every vlog, I'm putting 70 bucks in this car? I drive too much, dude. Anyways.
Nick, rich.
It's like the Huracan. He already knew the basics, guys, so he pretty much got it down like that.
Yeah.
I told him after like a whole day of driving it, you'll be like a professional.
It's fun while you're driving though. Going.
Yeah, it's fun while you're driving.
I can do the gears.
It's just the takeoff.
Yeah, the takeoff.
And especially when there's cars behind you, all the pressure.
you gotta concentrate to go.
That was fun. Maybe we'll do some donuts or something. Show Josh.
I like
sick,
that.
huh? All right. Some donuts.
Nick lit. BMW stuff.
Hopefully there's no cops on.
Facts. You should be fine, nah. Oh, snap. It did it so easily. Well, easy to drive, huh?
You gotta let me drive this next, Josh. One day. Let's do it. I want to drive this, bro. This shit is crazy.
You're gonna make it shoot flames. You're gonna be like, what
I'm down.
the heck? It's so dirty right now.
I know. The white wheels are probably hard to keep clean on.
You gotta see the baby AMG too.
I haven't even seen that.
That's not
Josh is a little daily.
Facts.
Because you were daily driving this for a while. He was like me, bro. We be daily driving the race cars, bro.
You got to.
Daily driven Lambo, daily driven GTR. I'm about to go grab some food now.
Hey, you wanna hear something?
What's Josh about to do? Oh my god, bro. Josh has a crazy tune on it, and the pops literally sound like gunshots, bro. One day, guys, we're gonna be on a Lambo. A few more YouTube videos. When I get a Lambo, guys, or an R8, I want to straight pipe it like that and do the same tune, bro. There's no way I'm keeping up, bro. What the heck? Look at that M3. Is it the car? Dakar? The car, guys. How do you say it? Dakar yellow? The car yellow? Shit's sick. E36 M3. But we're about to grab some food right now, guys. I'm freaking starving. I haven't eaten anything today. Alright, guys. Now we teleported to LA. We met up with Kevin. We're about to take some pictures of the M3 because I need some more Instagram content. I got nothing to post. And with the new girls too. I haven't taken any pictures with the new girls, so stay tuned for the Instagram post, guys. I used to post on Instagram every day when I had my old M3, and now I post like once a month. But recently I've been posting a lot with this car, so soon. All I need is a front lip. That's it. Have you broke yours at all?
I broke the orange piece in LA.
Yeah, yours has like 2 lips on.
$1,500 for that little orange piece, bro.
That's crazy.
Really
bro.
You're really low.
Guys, I literally scraped the bumper. I don't even have a lip on. Hopefully the lip and the diffuser all get here within a week or two, guys. They're already on the way. The side skirts, I already got them in the mail, but I feel like the car will look weird with just side skirts and no front lip. So I don't know, comment down below. Should I put the side skirts on already or should I wait till the front lip gets here? I just think it's gonna look off with just side skirts and no front lip.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. While y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that.